How to be happy? It's $1 million question, isn't it? They say if you want to know how happy you are, then just count the things which you have which money cannot buy. If you want to know how happy you are, then just drop a tear and see how many hand reaches to wipe it out. Hello friends, Nriti Gopika here to share the keys of happiness with all of you. The key is starting with each letter of happiness word. So let us start with our first letter H, our first key. When the whole world says give up, then hope whispers, try it one more time. Actually, whatever we do, there is one single driving force, that is hope. When you have hope, everything is possible. So our first key is hope for the better future. Don't be hopeless in life. Let's move on to our second key. The famous author Brian Tracy says, the greatest gift you can give to others is your unconditional love and A for dash dash. In life, there are many things that we keep on complaining. Some events, some people, their opinions, there is no scarcity. But as some wise man has said, that the day when you start realizing that others' thinking is just different from your thinking, then you become the happiest person in the world. So our next key is A for acceptance and appreciation. Let's move on to our next key. It's foolishness to sit and try to fix out all the bugs of your life. Many problems, especially the problems which occurs due to your past, are beyond our control. So our third key is to have peace with the past. Once a man was traveling by the train and TC caught him without a ticket. He asked for the ticket. Man said, sorry, I don't have the ticket, but I have money. Please get one ticket for me. Then TC asked, okay, which destination? He said, what he asked, that what is the last stop of the train? Just see how pitiable condition. That man is lost with no meaning, no purpose in life. So our next key is to have a purposeful life. Now the time for our fifth key. We all are unique. Are you all agree with it? If yes, then please do not adulterate your unique personality by copying others. As someone has said that you were born as an original. Do not die as a copy. Take charge of your own life. Do not let others to write a script for you. So this is the key, your exclusive identity. The next letter is N. This is one of the cancer of mind. And paying attention to others' negative feedback is just like giving the remote of your happiness in others' hand. You should never allow others what should happen inside you. So these are very important keys. They are never pay attention to others' unhealthy comments and never compare yourself with others. They say ना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. Sometimes we express with our words, but our actions fail. And sometimes we do act upon, but our words fail. Relationships are the fundamentals for happiness. In relationship, use the key of expression to express your love, care, feeling of affection with your loved ones. Radhanath Swami Maharaj, today's leading scholarly figure, quotes that if you are not happy means you are not serving selflessly. Isn't it? Our hidden, ulterior motives keeps us away from the pure bliss of happiness. So this is the priceless key of serving others selflessly. Let's see what is the last key for the happiness. This line is a golden line. Mark it. They say, happy heart is a grateful heart. Once Shakespeare said, I cried when I had no shoes, but I stopped crying when I saw a man without legs. Life is full of blessings. Many a times we don't value it. This is the most important key, showing gratitude for the Supreme. So let's have a quick recap. H. Hope for the better future. Don't be hopeless ever. A. Acceptance and appreciation. B. Peace with the past. P. Purposeful life. I. Your identity is unique. Do not adulterate it by copying others. N. Never compare yourself with others and never pay attention to others' unhealthy comments. E. In relationships, express your love, care, affection with words as well as actions. S. Serve selflessly. S. Showing gratitude for the Supreme. I hope these keys will add happiness into your life. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. Spread the keys, spread the happiness. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.